is this? Drink for what? What is this about? I don't understand. I don't get it. Like, is there a reason you guys cannot speak? 2 minutes? Taking a picture of the building.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop, 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 stop. Stop.
What's up, bro? Why are you guys recruiting? What are you guys doing? 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 Why are you recording my property? Huh? Why are you guys recording my property? This is real. I'm gonna call police. I'm gonna call police. No, I'm gonna call police. Oh, let's go up. 이거 어떤 사람들 우리 사러 와가지고 지금 막 카메라 찍고 그러고 있거든? 근데 말을 안 해. 몰라. 차 앞에서 막 내 차 찍고 나 찍고 우리 차 찍고 막 그러고 있어. 근데 말을 안 해줘. 신고하면 되지? 신고할게. I just spoke to the sheriff. What do you mean? My property. What do you mean? Weird people.
Alright, so here comes the popos.
What's up?
And they're following me, they don't say anything.
Okay.
And I was keep asking them what they're doing. They say like, whatever. And they keep videotaping.
All they do is like recording from the sidewalk inside.
Yeah, I feel very scared. I don't know what they're doing.
Did they open your door and go inside?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
No, did they open your door and go
They
inside?
did it. They did it.
Did they come all the way up here and block your entrance or anything like that?
So they will keep following and take my face and the photos of my car inside, and they're videotaping me. Like, look at this.
Right.
Yeah.
Hey,
They're
sir.
doing very weird stuff right now.
Sir.
Yeah.
But they're allowed to do that as long as they're not, assaulting you like that. They're in a public place. They can record you. I know for you it seems kind of weird, but they can do that as long as they're not like wanting your business and causing like problems to you or assaulting you in any manner. Or say you things are threatened, right? They can do what they're doing. It's totally legal. It's not nothing illegal. Okay.
So I explained through the phone
Right.
to the operator.
Right.
And I feel really scary.
Right.
Even I feel really scary and I feel danger.
Okay.
Is it still legal?
Yeah. Yes.
By the law?
Yes. It's legal.
Yes.
By the law, if they didn't make any kind of verbal threat towards you,
How
that
do
they
we
can
know
do it.
they're not gonna do anything? How do we know?
They haven't done anything. If they say they can do anything to you, if you want, is this your store? Can I talk to you inside real quick?
Yeah, sure. Please come in. You can come in.
Take a picture, take a picture. Got a machete, huh?
Machete.
Did you use a machete, huh?
Huh?
Did you use a machete?
No. I don't know. He found it in the bag.
Oh, yeah. Can I have it?
No.
Why?
It's my property.
It's your property?
It's someone's property.
Oh, yeah?
It's not yours.
You going home now? Or? You going home?
Not yet.
What time?
Be here all night, man. All night.
Oh, shit. Why is that?
I'm to work.
Oh yeah.
I have to work.
You only do Panama or you do Lakewood?
Huh?
You do
I do all the Lakewood.
Oh yeah.
All the Lakewood.
So, but you're from Panama, right?
Yes.
What's your name?
Tom.
De La Torre?
Yeah.
All right. What's your partner's name?
The Mergent.
De Mergen? Italian? No. De Mergen? Hey, you guys got
Yeah.
Maricoms already, huh?
Yep.
No wonder you guys are cool.
You guys are cool too.
Oh yeah, you like that, huh?
You're nice.
You want to
All
switch?
right.
You want to switch?
Can't afford this one.
Yes, you can, man. You make
Come
money.
on, man.
Come on, man.
These are high grade. They could be better. They're not 4K. I wish it was 4K.
Those are 4K. Mine is 4K.
They're 4K?
Yeah.
Oh, the county's not that rich, man.
Oh, come on, man.
They can only afford 720 with 720p.
Hey, that's okay, though.
Well, up close, it's no problem. It's when you're trying to see something far away and you try to zoom in. That's when the megapixels are really important, you know?
So you educate these guys? You
Yeah, I
tell
would just tell them, yeah, they're fine. They just, I mean, they get a little scared, you know, window seat in there. But we're talk to them. I told them you guys not doing anything wrong.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Appreciate
I
you,
mean,
man.
you gotta know people. Some people gotta, you know.
Yeah.
Because
It's an
they
everyday.
actually had a guy coming in there with that machete, so he thought it was maybe, you know, like he doesn't know, so he's all freaking out.
That's a weird machete.
So that's what we're taking a report to for that.
Oh,
Right
for
on.
the machete? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
some guy came in through the back and then.
Oh, wow.
So now he's freaking out.
That's not a machete, man.
That's a bad machete right there.
Yeah.
No, the foldable ones
Yeah.
are better. Those
was
two,
something
the
like-
serruchos
Yeah.
for
That's
cutting
a
the
mean
trees.
You saw it, right?
Yeah.
That's a bad-
How's to be a cop, man?
Huh?
How's life to be a police?
It's fun, dude.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah.
I love it, man. It's not,
Did you?
you know, there's
What's
you gotta take the good with the bad, man. You
Yeah.
know?
What is the best thing that you love to being a cop? What is the best that?
Oh man, helping out people, dude. That's really
Yeah.
my thing, dude.
What is the worst?
The worst? Dead babies, dude.
Yeah. Crazy, huh? Or
That's-
I probably
that's-
assume taking
that's-
somebody's life.
Yeah, but seeing a dead baby, dude, that takes something out of you, man.
Accidents and things like that,
All
right?
that stuff, dude.
Yeah.
That will take.
But also taking, because you're probably a father, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But probably taking somebody else's life also, right?
Oh yeah.
It can be
I mean,
like,
no matter what circumstances, dude. Either
traumatic, right?
even though if you're, you know, any life, you take it out, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, so what do you think about, let's say, and this is just
Right.
hypothetical. Somebody does that to a child. You guys show up. Are you guys at that point using what you're feeling to take them down? And
I mean, you gotta take every call. You gotta see what you got, dude. You can't take it from what information you got. That helps you, but you still have to assess when you get there. You can't go off like, oh, well, this is what that helps. You still have to, obviously, you gotta see stuff, right? You can't be like, it's like anything else. You gotta see something, right? In order to see it, okay, you hear, you feel it. Now, okay, let me see it now, and then you get a better understanding.
there you go.
So you gotta make educated, you know, decisions.
Yeah.
When you get that, it helps, but then you got to ask more stuff. You can't just assume one thing because you get well. Most couple we get something. It's never what it is. You know?
Right.
So
I could appreciate that, man.
you got it.
Yeah,
you guys,
thank
you
you.
guys take care, man. You guys
All right.
don't do anything wrong. They already know.
Right on, man.
You know, you guys are fine.
Thank you.
And,
Hey, appreciate that,
you
De La
guys have a good
Torre.
one.
De La Torre,
Yeah.
respect to you, brother.
And,
Yeah.
Be
and-
safe out there.
And that's
Exactly.
great because it seems to me that you don't use your feelings.
Yeah.
It's more the law because
Yeah,
you're a law
this guy
enforcement.
came up very
No,
Yeah,
that's,
very
that's
professional.
weird, man.
Yeah.
You know, like I said, you hear negative stuff. You take the good with the bad, and it is what it is, man.
Yeah.
But I'm here to help the people. I mean,
Appreciate
I've
you,
been
man.
doing this for a while now.
That's what we can
I
appreciate.
know you guys don't do anything wrong. I've seen you guys in the past.
Yeah.
That's why I go tell them, hey, dude, relax, chill out. But you know, you can understand people are freaking out.
Yeah, you know this guy, huh? You know
Huh?
him? You know him?
This guy right
Yeah.
here? This guy?
Yeah.
I've seen you guys here. I've seen you in Colorado the other day. The guy in the red Jeep, I think it was, at the Starbucks.
Oh.
Was that you guys? That was you guys, right? Yeah. He was all freaking out. Same
Oh,
thing
like
I
a
told
couple
him, same
blocks
thing.
over.
Same thing. Hey, they're not doing anything wrong. As
Yeah.
long as they're outside, they're not doing anything that they're allowed to do so. You know, but
Right
you know,
on, man.
some people are just because, you know, like this, I didn't know that happened on the other day. Some guy came with a machete.
Okay.
Or that thing was.
Yeah.
And he goes, man, the guy looked like a cholo and all this stuff. So now we gotta, you know.
They
we
didn't
gotta-
report it till now, though, right?
This is the first time he called.
Yeah.
I already told him, you guys, I go, you know, they're not doing anything wrong.
You know, it's pretty odd. He was following us actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, we walked away and he started
I told him,
following us.
don't
Yeah.
be aggressive with them.
Yeah,
Just
no,
let
no.
them be, you know.
No,
Yeah,
he
no.
was very.
Yeah.
He was like trying to take a license plate and everything. We take Uber, so.
But it's, I mean, common sense. Somebody came up to you like, if you say you don't, I mean, you already know about this, right? But
Right,
some people don't know this stuff. They think that anything like this is a crime now, right?
Right.
But when you get educated, and then obviously you gotta tell them, hey, this is what's right. We tell them this is they're allowed to do this, allowed to do that. Like I explained, look, see how they're on the sidewalk.
Right.
They're not in the street blocking traffic. They're not committing a crime. They're just here recording. They can do whatever. That's like, I tell them, I put my example, right? I get recorded everywhere I go, man. I lose stuff sometimes, or detention of something, and people with cameras. That's why I've been working like this for a long time. Like, there's always a camera on you.
Right.
Yeah,
It
you
is.
used to.
Yeah,
So I
the
love
eyes
this
are
thing
on
now
them.
because we can get our interactions. It's all in here. I got nothing to hide at this point, right? It's this.
Right.
Yeah.
It's all right here.
The video doesn't lie, man.
Exactly.
Independent one,
It's
it's good for you though. I mean, because.
But then
Yeah.
again, what's video? If you're good at this, what's video? What does it say? It's only two-dimensional, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
So videos don't have feelings,
Right,
right?
right. It's not
That's
3D.
not three-dimensional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just remember that videos is just two-dimensional.
Right.
You can always see like, hey, there was this that the video didn't capture. This
That's
doesn't
it.
capture feelings, doesn't capture what you feel.
Right.
It's just like, okay, this is what
This
it is.
yeah. That's
That's what you got to think of that. It's two-dimensional,
Yeah.
not like actual life, but it
Right.
does help a lot.
right. Right.
All right, you guys have a good one. I guess
Thank you
take
very
care.
much
Safe out
for
there,
being
brother.
professional, man.
Thank you, man.
brother. You guys got it, man.
All right, later.
So back to your partner.
Make sure how you submitted it. Make sure it look good.
Oh, hell yeah, man.
Do my hair, dude. I got my hair done 2 days ago.
You're like shining like
Hey.
like a god right now,
The
bro.
boots, dude. Even your car is clean, man.
I
You
tried
got the
to-
light glaring from behind you, you know?
Take care, bro.
Later, man.
Take care.
Here it is.